Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Powerhouse Ideas. In this video, I've got a different learning for all of you. In this video, I'll be discussing the complete technical analysis of your favorite stock. The name of the stock is Maruti Suzuki Limited. Let us understand, let us break down the chart and see what the chart tells us in a form of a story. So first of all, we'll begin with the weekly chart. As you can see, some of the levels are already marked on the charts. You can see this level marked over here. Let me highlight that for you. You can see this level marked already over here, the level of 7702. Now what is the importance of this level? Let us see. You can see in the starting of 2019 it worked as a support and we saw a fall from here. Then again in mid of 2019 it worked as a resistance over here. Again it worked as a resistance over here, and again the stock fall from here. Then the third time in 2020, it again worked as a support resistance, and it again fall. This was the Corona period, so this was just a uneven fall, or you can say a not regularized or the not regular fall. ठीक है, उसके बाद स्टॉक ने इस एरिया को दोबारा से टच किया इन द ईयर 2021, इन द स्टार्ट ऑफ ईयर 2021. Again we saw a fall. Now recently also in the month of June 2021, again this stock touched this area and again had a fall. Means the area of 7700 roughly is working as a great resistance for the stock. Now again in this month, during the current month which we are sitting at, the stock is trying to break this area, but will it be try to break this area right now? We don't know. But the question is, will you buy this stock right now? The answer is no, because the history tells that this area is working as a strong resistance. So why will we buy this stock where from where the stock is falling? Now let us go to a smaller time frame and see what is happening. Now see, this is that area 7700 where the stock is always facing a resistance even in the past as well. Now again you can see the stock created a green candle. The green candle was with some good volume. Then a doji candle was created, and now a big engulfing candle has been created. If we talk about these three candles in togetherness, in these three candles in togetherness, these three candles form a special pattern named as the evening star pattern. Evening star is a reversal pattern, reversal of an uptrend. So will you buy this stock over here? The answer is no, because this is a major resistance. But what if the stocks break this area? What if the stock breaks this area? Then what will happen? Now let us go again to the weekly time frame. As you can see over here, this area has been working as a resistance so many times in the past. Now again, this area has been approached by the price. Now what if the stock closes above this area? So all those people who are seeing this area as a resistance might have shorted the stock in this area, right? Might have shorted the stock in this area. But if the stocks gives a breakout of this area, then what will happen? All the stop losses who have created a short position over here, all the stop losses will start getting hit. So it will create a buying pressure on the stock. If a breakout will happen, it will create a buying pressure on the stock. And if this breakout happens with some good volume, what will happen after that? You can easily see the level of its all-time high, that is 10,000. Means if a breakout happens from this place, then we can see the price of 10,000 in Maruti Suzuki. So if you ask me whether I see that coming, I don't know. I just need to be prepared for what is going to be happen. ठीक है, हमें तैयारी रखनी है कि क्या हो सकता है. अगर वो हुआ तो हमें पता होना चाहिए कि हम इसको ट्रेड कैसे करेंगे, राइट. एक सेकंड, मेरी ये हैंग हो गया चैनल. हमें पता होना चाहिए कि इसको हम ट्रेड कैसे करेंगे. नाउ लेट अस अगेन गो टू द डेली टाइम फ्रेम. So, what shall be our strategy for this? Our strategy will be simple, that whenever the stock breaks above this area, we will surely wait for a retest. Why retest is important in this case? Let me show you this in history. You can see that this stock gave a breakout over here. It came back for a retest but failed. So the same scenario can be created over here, that it might give a breakout, then come back for a retest but will eventually fail. So to avoid this, we need to strictly follow a retest strategy in this. And if the stock gives a good retest with a good continuation and along with good volume, then we can see the targets of its all-time high, that is 10,000. One more important thing, We can see over here, let me explain you that. As you can see on the weekly time frame, this area has been working as a major support. This support was recently broken during the corona period, but that was an exceptional circumstances. But in the past three times, this area has been working as a support. So if the stock comes down, then this area might also work as a support. The area around 6800 might work as a support. So it's in a kind of range also. We can say in a kind of range also. And if this range gets a breakout, the breakout can be very big and we can easily see a target of 10,000 in the stock. So this is exactly the way how you should break the stocks, how you should understand that what story the stock is telling to you, and how you read the charts. And if you're liking these kind of short sessions, kindly tell me in the comments. And if you want me to specifically review any of the chart for you, then kindly tell me in the comments so that I can review that and I can help you out with your positions. I'll see you in the next video. Till that time, take care. Bye bye.